Hello everybody, and today I'm gonna show you this type of data structure called a linked list. You need to make it. So basically, a linked list, each node, like a linked list has nodes, and then the first node is the head node, the last node is the tail node. So every node except for the head and tail has a next, previous, and its value. So the head's next is what's after the head, but the head doesn't have any previous. The tail has a wait. Well, a double linked list has a previous, but a linked list only has a next. So for the tail, there would only be a value, and then the next would be null or none. So here's a double linked list. Okay, so this is the node class. It can store data and has next. Wait, where's the double linked list? Okay, I'll show you the double linked list after this. So, data and a node. So, a next. So, the linked list has a head and a tail, this is for like printing out the list. I made it, but yeah, otherwise you would only have a self.tail and a head. And you use this node to make a new node, and if not self.head, like if there is no self.head, then it makes a new head. So the head is the tail. The head is equal to the tail, and it is also equal to the new node. Otherwise, the next of the new node is equal to the self.head. Then the self.head is equal to the new node. So the old node is no longer the new node, the head. And then this is inserting at end. It's basically the same thing. And then traverse, it just prints out the list by doing current equals self.head and then self. Yeah, it appends it so it can print it. Yeah, and then while current print, and it basically prints it and then it sets current to the next one, and then it appends it again. And then the integer starts at the end and then works back. And it's kind of hard. Okay, so let me find my this linked list too. Okay, there. So this is a double linked list. Okay, I have a lot of stuff because I did a lot of stuff with this. So it's the node, but now we have a previous and no name, which I have for other uses. And then this is the linked list head and tail, and then I don't need this buffer thingy. And then now the list is a string. But also, yeah, I never really fixed this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then insert at front it's the same, but now we have a self.head.previous equals new node. And then this is the same and also has a self.previous equals self.tail. Then traverse is basically the same. And then it adds it to the string. This adding it to the string thing won't work because the data it stores is really, really weird, and it becomes a bunch of computer data or something, like weird data. And then critical stuff.tail. And then now we have a previous. It's way easier to do the anti-traverse. It works from the back and does it. So it prints it like the other way. And yeah, returns it. And then the loop just makes the heads next, the tail, and the tail's previous the head. So it's a whole loop. And an unloop makes the head previous none, and the tail's next none. So it unloops it if it's already looped. And the other stuff is for other things. So yeah, that's how to make a linked list and an anti-linked list. I linked this and a double linked list. Bye.